You've been asked to find the equation of a line which goes through two given coordinates, -1, 1 and 3, -7. Now, as soon as you're asked to do anything to do with straight lines, you should remember that y equals mx plus c, where m is your gradient and c is your y-intercept. These are the two components that you need to find from the two coordinates you've been given. So if we start off with finding out what m is your gradient, which is your change in y divided by your change in x. Now I can find my change in y by looking at my y coordinates, which are here and here, and my change in y can be found by doing -7 take away 1, and for my change in x, take my 2x coordinates and I'll do 3 take away -1. So -7 take away 1 is -8, and 3 take away -1 is 4. So that leaves me with -8 divided by 4, which means my gradient is -2. Now I can use this information, taking it back to y equals mx plus c and substituting it in. So I've got y equals -2x plus c. So you can see that all I need to find now is my y-intercept. And I can do that by choosing one of my coordinates. So if I choose 3, -7, I know that when x equals 3, y equals -7. So I'm going to substitute this into this formula here that I've just written out. So instead of y, I'm going to write -7 equals -2 x, so -2 lots of 3, plus c. So -7 equals -6 plus c. So c equals -1. And that's the final part that I need to put everything together. So I know that because m is -2 and c is -1, that y equals -2x take away 1. And that's my final equation, which goes through the coordinates -1, 1 and 3, -7.